everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to scan Wi-Fi QR code in laptop. So if you also want to scan Wi-Fi QR code in laptop, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So scanning Wi-Fi QR code in laptop is very simple. All you have to do is open your camera application. All you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to see a search bar over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now type in camera. Camera app will be displayed over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here camera is opened. Over here you'll be able to see several icons. You can see the icon for video, you can see the icon for photo, and then you'll be able to see the icon for barcode over here. Make sure you've selected the barcode icon. After you've selected the icon for scan barcode, all you have to do is place the QR code in front of the camera. And then that QR code will be scanned and you'll be connected to the Wi-Fi. So that is how you scan Wi-Fi QR code in laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.